everyone, this is Aharna, and today I want to quickly show you an AI agent that I've built on Drona HQ's agentic platform that solves a common pain point in human resources. It requires no complex coding or even complex integrations. So, as an employee, we often have questions regarding company policies like payroll dates, leave balances, benefits, eligibility rules, etc. And usually the answers exist, but they are buried in long policy documents or PDFs. So we end up asking the questions to our HR. Now think this at scale. If your company has hundreds of employees asking the same questions, the HR team ends up spending a huge amount of time in answering those repetitive questions. Now it becomes repetitive, time consuming, and not the best use of their expertise. That's why I have built an HR AI agent using the Retrieval Augmented Generation or RAG framework. With this approach, you can attach all of your company policy PDFs into your agent, and your agent will be able to answer your questions instantly with the existing data. Basically, this enables the employee self-service, reduces number of HR requests, and saves HR teams hours of time. So on my screen, you'll be able to see that I've already given the agent some instruction on what it needs to do, what is its role, what is its objective, and what are the step-by-step instructions. I have also attached knowledge base right here. And here I've also selected the model that I want to use, which is OpenAI in this scenario. I also have adjusted my temperature. So the lower temperature means how precise the answers can be, and the higher temperature indicates how your answers can be creative, right? So for now, I need my answers and my agent response to be super precise based on the documentations or citations that I have provided in the knowledge base. And I have also increased the max iterations to 8, which basically means how much the agent will loop through the instructions before giving you a data. And yeah, that's about it. And if I show you my knowledge base, so this is my knowledge base where I have attached 3 PDFs on company policies, and it has hundreds of pages, and that's too many pages that any team wants to go through. And I have also added them as my PDFs through a file upload, but you can also add them in text, question answers, or even in link format if that's available for you. Now coming back to my agent right here, I have defined a role for my agent and clear objective. So while you're providing instructions, it's important that you have much clarity so that your agent doesn't go on hallucination. And I have also broken each step into small achievable goals. For example, first it needs to do like a review and parse my query as a user, and then it extracts the intent, and then it retrieves company policies from the PDFs that we have provided, and prepares the context, and then sends us the response. Now once I open my playground, this is I've already like tested out my prompts and already retrieved answers. So for example, when I've asked my agent what is the annual leave policy, it did a search in the knowledge base and then provided me annual leave policy, casual leave policy, and sick leave policy. Then I also asked it what is our appraisal policy, and as you can see, it has retrieved all of the information from the PDFs that I have given it in the knowledge base. Okay, let's ask my agent some other query. For example, what is our separation policy? And as you can see, it goes through like its thought process by searching its knowledge base and then provides me with good formatted answers. And this is the exact response that I was looking for. So instead of searching through documents or waiting for a response, employees can get accurate answers instantly based on the information that already exists. It streamlines HR operations and employee experience, and this kind of agent can really make a big difference. And if you want to explore further in our agentic platform for your business operations use cases, you can book a demo call with us.